Hello, welcome to the $1,000 crypto portfolio experiment. This is episode 1 and it's a brand new experiment. We're going to be tracking the top 25 cryptocurrencies with just $1,000. So that's equivalent of $40 in each of these cryptocurrencies. We won't be using any stable coins and we're going to be tracking this for over a 1-year period with fortnightly updates and comparisons to other investments as well. So this is all for your pleasure and my expense. So let's enjoy. Today is Monday, the 15th of July, and there is a colossal correction going on. We're looking at 11.4% correction in the entire crypto market. Bitcoin rose to around 14k and then corrected down back to around 10k. Alts took a more significant hit. For example, Ethereum went to around 320, back down to 220, which is a considerable loss in dollar value. To be honest, I don't know what's going on in this market, but in my personal opinion, I see these situations as opportunities to do more experiments. So in this particular experiment, we're going to be using $1,000 and we're going to be tracking the top 25 cryptocurrencies, which means that's the equivalent of around $40 in each of these cryptos. So we're going to be purchasing Bitcoin, obviously, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin. We're not going to be purchasing this USDT as this is a stable coin. I don't believe it should be in this crypto portfolio. We're also going to be looking at EOS, BSV, XLM, TRX, Cardano ADA, Monero XMR. This Leo coin, I'm not too sure what it is. Dash, Link, Neo, IOTA, Atom, Ethereum Classic, Tezos. This CRO, I'm not too sure what it is. OKB, MKR, Zem, and Zcash or Zcash. So I'll be using CoinCodex as the main tracking tool, and also they have an inbuilt portfolio, so I'll be using the inbuilt portfolio as well. And we'll be using this to report back every fortnight, once a fortnight. And right now I need a bit of time to purchase all of these coins and add all the coins to the portfolio. So here's our crypto portfolio, and I can show you we're holding on to 25 of these coins and the total comes to $994.56, and I'll tell you the reasons why it came to this total as we go on. So we have Tezos at 44.5, MKR at 0.07, BNB at 1.43, Zcash at 0.51, Atom at 10.75, IOTA at 134, Ethereum Classic at 7.3, Dash at 0.33, Monero XMR at 0.48, OKB at 20.7, Tron at 1603, Ethereum we have at 0.18, Cardano at 691, Ripple at 128, Zem at 647, Litecoin at 0.45, Link at 14.5, Stellar Lumins at 464, BSV at 0.33, EOS at 9.4, Leo we have at 28.7, Bitcoin we okay, 0.00. Just need to check what this is by clicking here. Okay, we have 0.0039, BSV at 0.3, and Neo at 3. So this is the reason why we're a few dollars out. It's because we could only buy in whole Neos, which is just 3 Neos. So that's our portfolio for now, and I'm going to check back on this in perhaps tomorrow. We're going to check back on this. Hello there. So today is 17th of July 2019. So 24 hours has passed since our last look at the portfolio, and as you can see, our total holdings is $1,000.26, which is not a bad 24 hours, it's done 3.95% in the past 24 hours, which gives us a profit of $38 and just changed now 82. So I'm just gonna look at the 24-hour changes. So we can see that NEM has just done a massive 14.34%. That's huge. That is an absolute rise within 24 hours. That's crazy. And also, actually, the top 5 just have crazy changes, like Bitcoin SV also 10.32%, which is a massive $4. And we've got Monero at 8.75, which gives us about $3.32. Atom, I knew this, it was a good buy. Anything below $4 is, I think, is a good buy for Atom. And this has done 8.71. Very good bounce. So everything's looking okay. However, there are some cryptos in here that I've never even heard of, and I still bought it anyway. So Leo is a token of Bitfenix, and if you don't know what Bitfenix is, it's one of the largest exchanges available actually, and they've been around for a while. And they have their own, I believe this is their own utility token. I don't know what it does, but I can sort of like look into it in a bit later. Also, I wasn't too sure about what this CRO is, so I've just found out that it's part of crypto.com. So what happens is you purchase MCO and it will stake CRO for you. So this is just basically the equivalent of Neo and gas. This is the equivalent of gas. This is what's staked. So, and crypto.com offer credit cards, and you could opt in. I think the largest amount for the black card is you need to invest around $200,000 for it, which is way too much, and you need to lock it up for around 6 months, which I am not very comfortable with. So yeah, I'm not going to lock up $200,000 in just for a credit card, and the benefits aren't, so the benefits do not outweigh what you get in return. So if you had $200,000, you would probably get Amex Black anyway, and you'd get so much more value out of an Amex Black in comparison to this card, unfortunately. But so that's what CRO is. I didn't know what that was, so I just did a little bit of research. But overall, it's looking, it's just gone back up at $39.70. So looks like over just one day, it looks like it's done pretty well. And if you're interested in purchasing any of the cryptocurrencies shown in today's video, you can do so by purchasing cryptocurrencies at any one of these exchanges. So we have Binance, Binance Jersey, Bitfenix, COS, OKX, KuCoin, Coinbase, and Huobi. And you can also help me out by using the links below and registering an account through the links below. And just a word of warning, please do not ever leave your cryptocurrencies on any of these exchanges. Once you purchase your cryptocurrencies, make sure you transfer them over to a hardware wallet or to your own wallets if you're advanced enough. Because if any of these exchanges get hacked, then they won't be able to pay you back, except for Binance, who have a lot of money, but most would not be able to pay you back. So stay safe, guys, with cryptocurrencies. And of course, you could always keep your cryptocurrencies safe with a hardware wallet such as a Ledger Nano X, a Bluetooth enabled cryptocurrency hardware wallet with over 100 apps of storage, and there is also a backup enabled on this one. So the latest and greatest, check it out, use the link below. Okay, that's all we have time for today's episode. Remember to subscribe if you want to keep track of this $1,000 portfolio for fortnightly updates, and you can tweet me at AlphaCrypto8 on Twitter or Instagram me at AlphaCrypto88, and that we also have a website at alphacrypto.cc. And if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and I would love to hear your thoughts on this new experiment. Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay, bye bye.